is going on, everybody? My name is Connor McDonald, and I'm back again with another IAC Go Visual tutorial. Today, we're going to cover what is involved with the checkout process on our e-commerce platform. If you watched our previous tutorial on the shopping cart overview, you remember that we ended here. In that video, we covered your shipping address, shipping options, as well as the products that are in your cart. If you go over to order summary on the right-hand side, you'll see the proceed to checkout button. We're going to click this now to go to the checkout page. From there, you'll be taken to our checkout page. We ask that you please fill out as much information as you can so that your checkout process and our production process are made as easy as possible. Starting from the top, if you require a PO to be associated with this order, please enter it here. As this is not a required field, if you do not have a purchase order number, you do not have to enter it to checkout. If you have a specific ship date that you would like to request, please enter it here so that we can better accommodate. If you have any additional comments or questions for us, please enter them into this box here. Again, this is an optional feature. It is not required to check out. If you go over to the right-hand side into order summary, you have the ability to enter a promo code if you have received one. And if you scroll down to our payment methods, you'll see that it is pretty standard across all e-commerce platforms. We ask for your credit card name, credit card number, security code, and the expiry date, as well as the billing address associated with this credit card. You can also pay with PayPal if this is a better option for you. Scrolling down a little bit further, you'll see that there is an order summary section where you can double check your order to ensure that it is correct before you check out. If you now go over to the credit card section, you will have the ability to completely check out and order your products. This action cannot be undone, so please double check that your order is correct. I'm not going to use this button as I do not completely want to check out and have to put in a credit card. However, from here you'll be taken to a thank you page, and in the next video we will cover the next steps. If you have any other questions regarding the IAC Go Visual platform, please check out our other tutorial videos or contact us using the information below.